In today's video, I'll show you why your Tidio chatbot may not be showing and how to fix it quickly. If your chatbot suddenly disappears from your website, it can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for customer support. The good news is, this issue is usually caused by a simple setting. First, log in to your Tidio dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu on the left and click on Settings. This is where all visibility and behavior controls for your chatbot are managed. Next, go to Live Chat and then open Appearance. This section controls how and where your chatbot appears on your website. Inside Appearance, find Visibility and Position. This is the most important area to check. Here, you'll see separate display toggles for desktop and mobile. Make sure the display toggle is turned on for the devices you want the chatbot to appear on. If desktop is off, the chatbot won't show on computers. If mobile is off, it won't appear on phones. If you want full coverage, both toggles should be enabled. After making changes, don't forget to save your settings. This step is easy to miss, but if you don't save, the chatbot will remain hidden. If everything looks correct and the chatbot still isn't showing, double check that it's not hidden on specific pages and that your website integration is active. At that point, refreshing your site or checking Tidio support can help resolve deeper issues. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes the problem in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.